Good afternoon. We are at Amras restaurant. These are all the initial items served. This samosa, dokla, mango pickle, malpua, kesari, onion raita, green chutney, and red chutney, aloo palak, paneer, chawli, green dal, Rajasthan kadhi, Gujarati dal, spicy dal, and as usual Andhra's juice.
चपाती आपको
Then very hot pulka and
पूरी आधी मुक्की कहीं नाम रहे
puri
पूरी
on the way,
लच्छा पराठा
थैंक यू
and sweet poli.
टेक चपाती
Pulka,
First
very hot
amras,
chapati,
amras
and puri,
then you have it
and poli, sweet poli. These are all the initial items served. Thank you.